Hey everyone, this is J-Dog and I'm here with another video. At first I said, do not trust Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett because of past tweets that she's made. She is the top scientist that's involved with a project to deal with COVID-19, I think including vaccines. But now she is saying, I guess she has a conscience, and saying that COVID-19 is being used as a plan of genocide against blacks. Department of Health largest investigation. And I'm looking now at that article that it's basically saying the same thing, that the doctors are letting black people die. Letting black patients die. And you know what? She may be right. Yes, she has said things in her past. There's this tweet for right here real quick I want to bring up. Is saying that white supremacy must be ready to break their tool because they believe that she was being used as a tool. And I guess she now even knows that she was being used as a tool for white supremacy against black community by trying to make us the face of the virus so they could use us as guinea pigs to test vaccines on us to try to kill us all. I think she's starting to even realize that she is being used as a tool. The Department of Health and Human Services is investigating a controversy series of tweets by a black scientist who has been the vital researcher in the race to create a vaccine for COVID-19, Fox News reports. Many know Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett, a viral immunologist working with the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease, as a lead researcher with Dr. Barney Graham's coronavirus team in the Vaccine Research Center, which is part of the National Institute of Health. This is her right here. Wait a minute. Hold on. The fact that she's saying that black patients are being let to die is controversial. They're investigating her for saying that, but they're not going to investigate on some of the other stuff that she said, to the point where she deleted her entire account, and many people believe that it was the doctors, the Department of Health, and Dr. Fauci that told her to delete that other account, but then her tweets got exposed by Tariq Nasheed, and she even actually went after Tariq Nasheed for that. But all of a sudden, when she speaks a little bit of truth, like the fact that they are letting black patients die from the virus, and there's even been reports of how black patients have not been tested or go for other treatments, get symptoms, and they said, and the doctors are just purposely putting it as COVID-19 so that doctors can get highly paid and let the black patients die. All of a sudden, they want investigation. They're trying to shut her up. They're basically trying to shut her up after she spoke a little bit of truth into I still have some issues with what she said in the past, but I can give her that she's speaking a little bit of truth. Kizzmekia Corbett is a research fellow at the NIH Vaccine Center, Research Center, and a key member of a team helping to develop a vaccine for the COVID-19 virus. You know, the vaccine, and I've heard stories that they're trying to use this vaccine to kill off people and stuff like that. Recently, Corbett has been drawing public attention because her social media presence particularly several controversial tweets on her Twitter page. Some of the tweets date back in the beginning of February. On March 29th, Corbett tweets a link to a Boomerang article about the impact of the virus on poor communities. In her accompanying comments, she suggests that doctors may choose to overlook blacks if ventilators are a short supply. And that's actually true. They're going to just let the black people die. And now they're trying to shut her up. When she was doing that other stuff on Twitter, which led her to decide to delete the comments because they didn't want no controversy, all of a sudden, when she spoke some truth, now they want to go after her. I tweet for the people who will die when doctors have to choose who gets the last ventilator and ultimately who lives. The tweet state the poor, and while the article doesn't explicit, it says it the black. And she's sort of right. Actually, she may be right. During a news conference on April 10th, showed, that this is, yeah. Yeah, this is when that Jerome Adams made those stupid comments like, do it for your pop-pop, do it for your big, which is very racially stereotypical against blacks. Dr. Anthony Fauci, a top infected disease doctor, as you know, I skipped a few areas, and key members of the White House Pandemic Task Force backed Adams' comments. Yeah, because they were offensive towards black people. Now here's what, back to Kizzy. Now here's what Kizzy said. Passing this thread here because it's properly put. Black people are not dying more because of their behaviors. That is just a cop-out to justify accountability. See, she actually called out Jerome Adams for his comments. So she has called out Jerome Adams. So she was disagreeable to both Fauci and Jerome Adams' comments about the when he did that, do it for your big mama, do it for your papa. She was upset about that. She's starting to connect the dots. She realized that she was being used as a tool to put black people as guinea pigs for a testing subject of vaccines by making us the face of the virus, and even probably threatening to show her past experience, which did get shown. And now it looks like they're trying to find a way to get rid of her. Now, what you're looking at, these are the HH told that the career ethics officials are reviewing. See, now these are people who are trying to call out. See, they're talking about 2/3 in the past so-called resurrected men, separatists, they forgive me, I'm pronouncing that wrong, will dig up recent buried bodies, black bodies, to be used as structural cadavers by white medical students. Even in death, the black body was subject to exploitation. And in the present crisis, it has been an open secret about whom the perfect subject for pharmaceutical and vaccine trials for COVID-19. Black folks here and overseas. Dr. Corbett has marked another evolving atrocity. Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett is a racist to suggest that now here's the right here. See, this guy is probably some white racist that's trying to undermine the fact that black people have been used as guinea pigs for vaccines. I don't care about Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett's tweets. Just let her work on creating a vaccine. Kizzmekia, get off the phone and get in the lab. You don't have time to be on Twitter. But what if the vaccine is dangerous? What if she's right? What if they're being used, trying to use us as guinea pigs for the virus? Like I said, I had some issues with Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett. But what if she's right? What if black people are being used as guinea pigs, or the black patients who claim to be affected with COVID are just being let to die? Yeah, I know it skips over some things, but if you want to read the whole article, I'll leave the link to it in the comment section in the description box. Make sure you like, share the video, subscribe, hit that notification. I'll also leave links for you to check out all the different accounts that I have for you to follow me on. But that's all I have to say for now about that situation. This is J-Dog. Thank you for watching, and I hope to catch y'all in another video. Peace, everyone.